Did you know that just a few drops of castor oil in your belly button could improve digestion, relieve cramps, and even give you glowing skin? Sounds strange, but this age-old trick has been backed by generations and is making a powerful comeback. What seems like a weird internet hack is actually a smart and natural healing technique that your body will thank you for. Discover the powerful benefits of castor oil and how just a few drops in your belly button can transform your health and skin naturally. In this video, we explore the amazing healing powers of pure, organic, cold-pressed castor oil, from improving digestion and relieving cramps to boosting hair growth, clearing skin, and easing joint pain. You'll also learn why the belly button is a powerful point for absorption and how to use castor oil safely and effectively. Always choose high-quality, additive-free castor oil. Do a patch test before first use to avoid allergic reactions. Avoid using it on open wounds or broken skin. Do not heat the oil, use it at room temperature. Use in moderation for best long-term results. Whether you're new to natural remedies or looking for a powerful oil to add to your routine, this video will show you how to use castor oil the right way for glowing skin, better health, and more. Hello lovely viewer, welcome back to Essential Cures. 1. Why the belly button? The hidden healing point. The belly button, navel, is more than just a leftover from birth. It's actually connected to over 72,000 veins in the body. In traditional medicine, it's seen as a central healing point. Applying a few drops of castor oil to the belly button can help detox your system naturally, relieve menstrual cramps and bloating, improve digestion and reduce gas, moisturize dry skin from the inside out, promote fertility and hormonal balance, used in Ayurvedic rituals. How to use. Before bed, apply 2 to 3 drops of warm castor oil in your belly button. Gently massage the area for a minute, then lie down and relax. Do this consistently for best results. 2. Castor oil for clear, glowing skin. Castor oil deeply moisturizes and fights skin issues like acne, dark spots, and dullness. Antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. Fades blemishes and pigmentation. Reduces fine lines. How to use. Apply a small amount to clean skin or mix with aloe vera gel for a gentle overnight treatment. 3. Castor oil for joint pain and inflammation. Its strong anti-inflammatory properties make it a natural pain reliever. Relieves arthritis and sore muscles. Boosts circulation in affected areas. How to use. Massage warm castor oil into painful joints. For deeper relief, cover with a warm cloth for 30 to 45 minutes. 4. Castor oil for hair growth. If you're struggling with thinning hair, a receding hairline, or dry scalp, castor oil could be your best friend. Stimulates hair follicles. Promotes faster, thicker hair growth. Fights dandruff and scalp infections. How to use. Mix castor oil with coconut oil and apply it to your scalp. Leave for at least 30 minutes before washing. 5. Castor oil for eyelashes and eyebrows. Forget expensive serums. A little castor oil goes a long way in making your lashes and brows fuller. Nourishes hair roots. Boosts natural volume and growth. How to use. Use a clean mascara wand or cotton swab to apply a thin layer before bed. One small bottle, so many powerful uses. Castor oil is truly a forgotten natural remedy that deserves a place in your daily routine. Whether you want to heal your skin, grow your hair, or support your body from the inside out, start with just a few drops in your belly button and watch the magic unfold. Have you tried castor oil before? Did any of these benefits surprise you? Tell us your experience or which remedy you're most excited to try.